Oh, you're right. I mean, you've gone off. Is it the arm?
Yeah, just a little sore.
It was always going to happen on a pitch like that. But the fact that you've got yourself some runs, how difficult was it out there to try and judge how to play once you guys had bowled him out for 96?
Yeah, look, I said it at the toss as well. We're quite unsure of what to expect from the pitch. It's a new ground, new venue, drop-in pitch, not really aware of what is it like to play on a pitch which is just 5 months old. So yeah, it was all about getting used to the conditions. That's why we wanted to bowl first and see how the pitch plays. I don't think the wicket settled down even when we batted second. It was enough there for the bowlers. But all in all, I thought, to get those 2 points was very important.
In the T20 format, you sometimes have to adjust your plan and show lots of variation. What was the plan out there once you saw what it was doing? Just trying to stick to hitting hard lengths?
Yeah, that's pretty much what you got to do when there's enough in the pitch. You got to just stick to your basics. Think about bowling in Test match cricket. Try and hit those lengths consistently. And we've spoken about where are the which can fetch you runs. So trying to stay away from that. And
I think your marker might be gone. I'll hold it for you.
Yeah, so I think it was important that we spoke as well. All these guys have played a lot of Test cricket. Arshdeep is the only guy who's not played Test cricket, but with him, with the new ball up front, swinging the ball back into the right-handers, can do a little bit there. And, his 2 wickets up front was something that set the tone for us, heading into the game.
Okay, you've come to this World Cup with 4 spinners. If you get surfaces like this, you might have to change your game plan?
Yeah, absolutely. I don't think we can play 4 spinners here. But yeah, look, when we picked the team, we wanted to have the balance. If the conditions are there for the seamers, we wanted the seamers to be in the squad. And as we head into the tournament, the later part of the tournament, I know the spin will play a crucial part. That's where I guess spin will come into picture. But again, looking at the pitch, looking at the condition, we are open to making changes and do what is required for the team at that point. I thought today was a 4-seamer pitch, and we still managed to get 2 spinners who are all-rounders. So that gives us a good balance as well heading into this game.
Okay, so your next encounter is the big encounter against Pakistan. Both teams have got some quality fast bowlers. Hopefully we don't get something similar.
I don't know what to expect from the pitch, to be honest. But yeah, we will prepare as if the conditions are going to be like that. We've got a few days before we play that game. So yeah, we just need to regroup and understand what each one needs to do, because this is a kind of game. This is going to be a kind of game where I think all 11 of us needs to come together and contribute in whatever way they can.
And lastly, on your own form, nice to get a 50 knot out there and spend a bit of time in the middle. You happy with that? Even though it was difficult circumstances?
Yeah, I mean, it was scratchy, but good to spend some time in the middle, understand, what the pitch is like, what kind of shots you can play on pitches like those. But yeah, it was nice to spend some time in the middle, and hopefully we can come out again and, play a similar brand of cricket and get those 2 points as well.
Okay, well, thanks for your thoughts and all the best for the big encounter.
Yeah, thank you very much.